3M Innovations. Bright products for a dark world. The top men at 3M Corporation are working diligently on a new aluminum oxide to make sandpaper that's 10 times stronger than its Soviet counterpart. Soon, this technology will be available in your own garage, and you too can sand away the red menace with 3M. Hey guys, just a quick video today on this old 3M sanding block I found. It's old enough that it says Minnesota Mining and Manufacturing on it. Based on the font, I think this dates from 1950 through 1957. Other than some wear on the logo decal, this thing is still in pretty good shape. Yeah, you can tell it's been used, but there's no dry rotting or cracking of the rubber, which is amazing for a 70-year-old tool. I don't know what type of rubber they were using back then, but they don't make rubber like that anymore. Probably causes cancer or something. To use it, you just lift up the flap here and stick a sheet of sandpaper in. Then you wrap it around, and the back side has this little step in it. That's so when you press it down, it kind of tightens up the paper, which is pretty cool. Yeah, I much prefer this type of sanding block to just wrapping the sandpaper over a block of wood. I have the modern equivalent to this, also from 3M. I use this guy all the time. The modern one has little spikes in it that hold on to the paper. Well, now that we have two of these, I guess the only thing left to do is see if we can unlock dual wield. I got two fresh sheets of 120 grit loaded. Let's see if we really can sand away communism. This is not going as well as I thought. Probably should have used 60 grit. I guess the red menace will never truly fade away. Alright, thanks everyone for watching. Be sure to check out my channel. Every once in a while I like to upload a crazy video like this. See you later. Bye.